Hey, welcome back to my car shop. I'm Mike, and today we're doing a tech tip on a 2018 Mini Countryman on an intermittent no-start condition.
This is my car's shop.
Yesterday, my wife mentioned that her Mini was not starting properly and she had to keep fiddling with it, and it kept giving the error message that I'll show you in just a minute about putting the key fob near the steering wheel. But even then, it still wouldn't start 4, 5, 6, 7 times. It just wouldn't crank, kept giving the same error. And it's a simple fix, so let's get into what it takes to fix this. So when you get in the car with your key fob in your hand and you hit the start button, this is the message you get. And so you hold the button, the key fob, to the steering wheel, and nothing happens. Sometimes another message will pop up, but nothing works. And it's a pretty simple fix. So let's get into what you need to do to fix it, because it's just simply a matter of replacing the battery in your key fob. Alright, so in order to effect this repair, you need to take the key fob and remove the emergency key from the fob first. You do that by pushing this button right here. And then this part right here is actually just a cover, and there's a little access tab right in here to be able to get into it. So I'll try to do this left-handed so you can see it. So you just simply pop in your small screwdriver, be very careful, and just pop, yeah, just like that. We didn't break it, but we nicked it. There we go. It'll pop up. And there's tabs on each side. So you got to be a little bit careful. The last one is usually a bit of a bugger, and it might pop off and hit you in the chest, and that's okay. So there it is. The battery is under here. So you have to do the same thing here. Take your small screwdriver and just pop this up carefully, and there's your battery right there. Now these batteries are 3 years old, because we purchased this car brand new in the end of 2017. So that's a pretty good battery life out of this, for sure. So you just carefully reach in there and pop that battery out. I keep these on hand a lot. I didn't actually have but one here today, so I went and picked some more up at the store when I was there. But they're just 2032 Energizers, lithium batteries. Is all they are. I use them in my guitar tuner, so I keep them on hand all the time. Nothing special. You can get them at Walmart. Okay, so you take your new battery, positive side up, negative side down, and just slip it in this way like this, just opposite of the way it came out, so you can see that, and just kind of push it down in there like that, and then it's in position. It goes underneath these two little plastic tabs right here and here. Okay, then we take our little battery retainer, if you want to call it that, and again, it goes in the same way you took it out, and you put it in the opposite, so I kind of shove it up in there like that, and then push it down in place, and now it's retained. There it goes. Wasn't quite in there, but now it is. And then, of course, we put our battery cover back on. And of course, the last thing to do is make sure you take your key and put it back in, and make sure you check your offset so that it's going into the offset here, so it lines right in and goes. It's easy to try to put it in upside down, just like that. So we have the key fob in hand. We reach down to hit the start button, and the car immediately starts. So there you go. That's all it takes to fix the no-start intermittent start condition on a Mini Countryman. Well, I hope you found today's tech tip helpful. If you enjoyed what you learned, there's more tech tips here. A lot of it applies to hot rod building because we are a hot rod shop, but we try to just give you things that you might find helpful for daily driver cars as well. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell for notifications. You can also find us on Facebook /MyCarShop and on Instagram /MyCarShop. And one more thing, it's the most important thing, rock.